Hi, Cliff here, American Business Telephone and Technologies. Have some phones here today that we just painted red. These are a CISCO phones, and these are in emergency red. I'll just show you the handsets. Freshly painted, still drying. I'm not going to touch them. So we come over here, and here's the tops. Starting with the main top and then working right over to the actual base of the phone. Phones are all taken apart, put in anti-static bags so that they are not affected, and we can reassemble them once the paint dries. So if you need a project done like this, just call us at American Business Telephone, 877-242-0070 or 860 643-2200. Thank you so much.